Hi, I'm Jim Gordon. We're at the inaugural TSX Venture 50 Capital Conference in the Okanagan. Joining me right now is Duncan. He is the President, CEO, and Director of CWC Energy Services. Thanks for joining us.
You're welcome, Jim.
Let's jump right in. There are over 1,700 companies on the TSX Venture. Talk about what being part of the Venture 50 does for you and your company.
We're very honored to be a part of the TSX Venture 50 recipients. We actually got our Venture 50 recognition in 2012. And back then we had a total market cap, capitalization growth and share price appreciation and share traded volume, and was recognized for that. We had a 586% total return on investment back in that time. And today, with all the challenges of pipeline takeaway capacity and all the things that are happening in our industry in Canada, we have that opportunity again. Our share price has fallen back down, but what I am happy to say is that that opportunity exists today for you to get back into a very high growth company.
Well, let's move to investors then. You're being frank about that. Let's talk about what investors can expect for the rest of 2019 and going beyond that.
Well, what I have been telling investors is that we are in the beginning stages of a new growth era for CWC. Last month, June 2019, we brought 2 drilling rigs into the United States. We are previously a Western Canadian Sedimentary Basin drilling rig company, and last month we started spudding our first wells in the United States for multinational oil and gas companies in the United States. And so I would say we're on the top of the first inning of a 9-inning game. And this is the perfect time for investors to take a look at CWC.
Can you talk a bit about how your company has impacted the community it's in?
Sure, Jim. So last year, 2018, I was the chairman of the PSAC Stars and Spurs Gala, which is a fundraiser for Stars Air Ambulance, which is an air ambulance service that basically goes to remote areas or helps people in need when they get injured and need life-saving support. I'm very proud to say that in 2018, as chair of the committee, we raised $1.3 million for Stars Air Ambulance, and that was a record year in 2018. We've since surpassed that, but in 2019. But we continue to support our community in all of its ways.
Very good. And last question, can you talk a bit about what makes your company stand out in your sector?
Well, I think the key thing for us is that we have the highest utilization of any service rig company in Canada. We are the largest service rig company in Canada with 148 service rigs. And over the last several years, on both our drilling side, 9 drilling rigs, we have shown that we have the highest utilization rates. We have the right equipment, we have quality people delivering quality service, we have the most efficient service for our customers, and we continue to execute on that extremely well, to the point where Americans now are asking us for our equipment and our people.
Very nice. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Jim.